Hello guys and welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a light leak transition effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported two clips onto my timeline over here. The first thing you need to create the light leak transition effect is obviously a light leak. So over here, I have a light leak. You can get your free light leak transition from free stock footages website. The next thing you need to do is to select your light leak over here, right click and select on link to delete any audio file if it has any audio file, and select it once more and go over to Effects Control and adjust the scale to fill up the entire screen. Next, move your time indicator to the position where your light leak completely covers the screen, and at this position hit M on your keyboard to add a marker on your light leak, and adjust the position of your light leak over here to the center of your clips below. Next, hit the razor tool over here and cut out some portions from the beginning to the end of your light leak, and delete the end portion and delete the start portion. Now select your light leak over here and go over to Effects Control and change the blend mode from normal to screen. And if I hit play over here, you can see what we've created. To speed up that transition, all you need to do is to hit Ctrl R or select the Ridge Stress tool over here. And with that, you can adjust the speed of your light leak transition, but you also want to adjust the position once more to ensure that the marker is aligned to the center. And if I go back now and hit play, you can see what we've created. And that's it guys on how to create the light leak transition effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial tomorrow.